and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my May recipe box from Simply Earth. This will be my first recipe box from Simply Earth, as I've just in the last few months started using their essential oils, and I thought this would be really fun to try out. Basically, it's a subscription box, and it comes once a month, and it will have a different theme each month. Comes in a cute little box like this, and the theme for this month's box is hair care. So let's take a look at what's inside. So first, they've sent a new carrier oil for them. It is sunflower seed oil. I really like sunflower oil as a carrier oil. It's a really light oil and it has a lot of great skin benefits, so happy to see this in this box. I'll definitely make use of it. Then it came with 4 different oils for this month's recipe. The first one is patchouli essential oil. I love patchouli essential oil. I think it's a really great earthy essential oil. It has a lot of great skin benefits and hair benefits as well. Patchouli is also very grounding and calming from that earthiness that it has. And I love that they're 15 milliliter bottles, so I'll be able to use them for all of these recipes, but then have some left over for other things as well. Then they also sent basil. Basil, very herbaceous smell, great for focus and concentration, but it also has a lot of great hair benefits and scalp benefits. Rosemary, very similar to basil in the fact that it has a lot of great hair and scalp benefits. It's also very herby. I would say less so than the rosemary, but it does definitely have an herbaceous scent to it. And then finally is their Bio Be Gone blend. This is a new blend to me. I haven't tried it or smelled it before. So let's see. Oh, so that's a really nice scent. It's kind of a combination of sweet and earthy. It has lavender in it, orange, patchouli, ylang ylang. Those are the ones that I kind of get off the top of my nose that are in there. And this is, as the name says, it's great for helping with different odors. It also has a lot of great oils in it that are calming, also good for skin and hair health, and as the name suggests, it's good for deodorants as well. So that's all the oils that were in there for this month's box. Like I said, really nice. They're all 15 milliliters, so you'll have plenty to go around. And I also like the labeling on the Simply Earth bottles. Everything's clearly marked. It gives, the ingredients, caution, child safe ages, all that kind of stuff right on the label. So to me, that's really helpful and something you'd want to look for in an essential oil brand. Then along with the carrier oil and the essential oils, they also sent a little container of emulsifying wax for you to use in the recipes they provided this month, as well as some cetyl alcohol. They also provided the labels so that you can remember what you made, which I always think is really helpful, and a little label to go on the top of the essential oils just to make it easier to see what you have. As far as the recipes for this month, they sent a whole bunch. There is a scalp scrub, a hair mask, a heat protector spray, which I'm pretty excited to try that out. I've never seen a DIY for that, so very interested to try that. A diffuser blend, a roll-on, and a restorative hair balm. For the restorative hair balm, I'm going to do a short on that, and that'll be Tuesday's short that I post here on YouTube. So super excited to try and make this. What's really nice about this recipe box is I'm a very experienced DIYer as far as making Bath & Body products, but it's always nice to get new ideas, try something different. So the instructions are really clear. They do have a little QR code that you can scan as well for video tutorials. So I think this box would be really great for a beginner DIYer to an experienced DIYer. If you are an experienced DIYer, you can take these as base recipes and kind of put your own twist on them. So I think that's really cool. Also, since this was my first box, what Simply Earth does is for your first recipe box that you order, then you get what they call their big bonus box, and it has some additional carrier oils and products and like bottles and things like that that you would need, not need, but are nice to have for essential oil DIYs. There was a container of beeswax, of coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, which is a really nice carrier oil to have on hand. And then there was 6 roller bottles, and I believe 6 just small, I think they were 10 ml, 5 or 10 ml glass bottles as well. And you get that as kind of a bonus with your first order. So definitely can come in useful and gives you everything you need to make your DIYs. Some of the recipes use things from that bonus box. And then they'll use some things from your recipe box. So there's kind of a mix of things there. Now, I am not sponsored by Simply Earth, but I am a wholesaler. I don't currently sell the recipe boxes, but I do have the essential oils on my website, which I'll have linked down below. All orders over $35 get free shipping when you purchase through me. So definitely check out the link below. Now, if you're interested in the recipe box, you will order that directly from Simply Earth. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with them as far as I don't get anything back when you purchase from them, but I'll still have it linked down below in case you want to check it out. Then definitely stay tuned for Tuesday's short so you can see how the hair balm turns out. I think it's going to be really great for split ends and things like that, so excited to give it a try. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little glimpse at this month's recipe box from Simply Earth. I plan on doing one of these a month. Just as I get the boxes, I'll share them with you. That way you can check it out and see if it's anything you're interested in getting. Simply Earth really is a great essential oil company. I've been very happy with not only the quality of the oils, but the prices as well. So I definitely hope that you will check them out. Take care, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.